Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Kem and welcome back to another eyebrow tutorial. I have updated a lot of things and I think it would be wise for me to do an updated eyebrow tutorial. So if you like my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share. I will show you the things that I will be needing. I will need a spoolie and a concealer brush, and I will need this. It's an eyeshadow palette, and then I'll need a pencil. I'm beginning by brushing my eyebrows into place. Like for brows, the outer corner has to be very natural and light. That's why I'm using a light pencil at the beginning and then I will deepen it at the bottom. Then I will go in with the NYX professional makeup pencil to define the brows more. Hindsight is fleeting when your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red. Till you discover it is within each other to forgive and make amends. If I had known then, and this is what I'll be using. I took the long road, thought I'd be better on my own. Sometimes what's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one. If you realize any mistake, you correct it afterwards with your pencil. Now what I'm about to do is to conceal the underneath to really let my eyebrows pop up. I choose to use my foundation. You start from the back and then you draw it into the inner corner. The eyebrows frame the face, so you take your time in doing it. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it and you find it very useful. So if you like my video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share.